Greetings everyone. Today we are diving into the realm of complaint handling empowered by ISO 10002, the globally recognized standard for customer satisfaction. In our digitally driven world, technology stands as a beacon illuminating pathways to efficient and effective complaint resolution. Join us as we explore the fusion of technology and ISO 10002 principles in streamlining complaint handling processes. ISO 10002 serves as our guiding star, illuminating best practices for organizations in managing complaints. In today's landscape, where customer experiences can make or break reputations, ISO 10002 provides a compass directing organizations toward customer-centric complaint handling excellence. Harnessing technology for a streamlined complaint handling. Complaint Management Systems (CMS). Enter the Complaint Management System (CMS), a digital sentinel guarding against dissatisfaction. CMS platforms serve as centralized repositories capturing, tracking, and managing complaints with precision and efficiency. Automated escalation and routing. In the labyrinth of complaints, swift escalation is paramount. Technology empowers organizations with automated escalation and routing mechanisms, ensuring complaints land in the hands of the right personnel promptly. Real-time analytics and reporting. Insight is power, and technology offers a treasure trove of data-driven insights. Realme Analytics and reporting tools enable organizations to glean actionable intelligence from complaint data, driving informed decision-making and continuous improvement. Omnichannel integration. In a world of myriad communication channels, seamless integration is key. Technology facilitates omnichannel complaint handling, allowing organizations to capture feedback from diverse sources, be it emails, phone calls, or social media, into a unified platform. Artificial intelligence and natural language processing. Embracing the marvelous of AI and NLP, organizations unlock new frontiers in complaint resolution. AI-powered chatbots and sentiment analysis tools offer real-time support, enhancing responsiveness and personalization in customer interactions. Benefits of technology-driven complaint handling. The marriage of technology and ISO 10002 principles yields a bounty of benefits: enhanced efficiency and speed in complaint resolution, improved accuracy and consistency in handling complaints, greater visibility and transparency across complaint processes, enhanced customer experiences and satisfaction, opportunities for innovation and competitive differentiation. In conclusion, as we journey through the realm of complaint handling guided by ISO 10002, technology emerges a formidable ally. By harnessing technology solutions aligned with ISO 10002 principles, organizations forge pathways to streamlined complaint resolution, enriching customer experiences and fostering enduring relationships. Thank you for embarking on this technological odyssey with us, and if you have found value in our videos, please do subscribe to our channel and share it with your professional colleagues.